Hello guys, my name is Gurbani. Today we are going to make a sandwich, and when your mom is doing some meetings and you're very hungry, you can make it. And one day your mom can get surprised. So first we need bread, cheese and tomatoes and kheera and lettuce. So first we'll take some cheese, put it on one slice of the bread, then some kheeras, 4 or 3 kheeras we can take, and then tomatoes, 4 or 3 tomatoes on top of the kheeras. So now we can put some lettuce. 2 or 1 lettuce. Now we can put some salt for some taste. And now we can first I will just want to tell you something. If you have many like these, I have many, so I'm going to take a heart shape. Put it on the bread slice. Cut out the shape hardly. Yeah, and it's come out. Now, if it's not very nicely, it's okay. And you can eat it. So, when you put the cheese, it makes you strong. And the lettuce is very green, and you have to eat green vegetables. And about this, we can just keep it at the side, put some butter and eat it. Thank you, bye bye.